Explore the best RC buggies for beginners with models designed to enhance your entry into the world of remote-controlled vehicles. These RC buggies offer exceptional ease of use, durability, and performance, making them ideal for newcomers. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best RC buggies for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Hypergo H16 PL stands as a stellar entry point for beginners in the RC buggy world, blending speed, durability, and adaptability. Powered by a brushless Hobby 2845-4200 kV motor with a metal heatsink and cooling fans, this buggy delivers an impressive 25 miles per hour on a 2S LiPo battery, with the potential to reach a blistering 38 miles per hour using a 3S battery. Its independent receiver and 45A ESC allow for future upgrades, making it a long-term companion for any RC enthusiasts. Built for versatility, the H16 PL comes with 2 sets of terrain tires, wide tires for optimal grip on snow, grass, and sand, and narrow tires for precise handling on racetracks, trails, and skate parks. The buggy's high-strength composite honeycomb chassis, coupled with all-metal CVD and 16 metal bearings, ensures robust performance even in rugged conditions. Off-road, the front short and rear long oil-filled shocks and extended rear suspension keep the buggy stable during rapid acceleration and jumps, preventing chassis damage. The 120 feet 2.4 GHz 3-channel radio with throttle limits makes it beginner-friendly, allowing new drivers to gradually unlock its full speed potential. The Arma Typhon Grom is a compact powerhouse designed to bring serious RC performance into your everyday life. Inspired by its larger 1/8 scale predecessor, this 1/18 scale buggy packs Arma's signature toughness and agility into a conveniently small package, making it perfect for beginners and experienced drivers alike. Whether you're tearing up the local skate park, conquering dirt trails, or bashing in your backyard, the Typhon Grom is built to perform. Despite its small size, the Typhon Grom doesn't skimp on durability or power. The Mega 380 brushed motor, paired with a rugged 4WD drivetrain and oil-filled shocks, delivers smooth handling and robust performance on any terrain. The waterproof Spectrum electronics, including the SX110 steering servo with metal gears, ensure you can bash confidently in all weather conditions. A high-speed cooling fan keeps the motor and ESC running efficiently, prolonging the life of your components. The Typhon Grom features a secure, clipless body mount and comes with everything you need to start bashing right out of the box, including a Spectrum Smart 2S LiPo battery and USB-C charger. With upgrade options available, the Typhon Grom offers endless possibilities for those ready to take their RC game to the next level. The Amaral 1x14 Buggy is a high-performance RC vehicle designed for beginners ready to experience the thrill of speed and control. Powered by a robust 60A ESC and a 7.4V 19,000 RPM 550 brushed motor, this buggy can reach speeds of over 43 miles per hour in optimal conditions with a 3S LiPo battery. The professional RC transmitter allows new drivers to set throttle limits at 30 or 70%, easing them into the full power of this beast. The buggy features a full-time 4WD transmission with a durable mainshaft and large powder gear, ensuring reliability under extreme bashing. Its responsive steering assembly, 1.7 kilogram 3-wire servo, and oil-filled shocks with a coil-over design enhance handling and control, providing smooth acceleration and top-tier speed. Built for rugged terrains, the Amoril 1x14 buggy boasts a sturdy aluminum alloy chassis and a high downforce nylon wing to keep it grounded during high-speed runs. Tough rubber wheels offer excellent traction, while front and rear bumpers protect against crashes. The adjustable body mounts and metal fabricated structure make maintenance easy, ensuring this buggy remains durable across various terrains. The Kosho Javelin is an iconic off-road RC buggy that has been masterfully recreated for today's enthusiasts. Originally released in 1986, the Javelin quickly gained a reputation as one of the best RC buggies, and this modern version continues that legacy with updated features that blend vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. At the core of the Javelin's appeal is its unique design, featuring a resin pipe frame body that echoes the original aluminum frame. This design is more than just aesthetic. It's engineered for performance, with a double wishbone suspension and a narrow backbone-style skid frame that ensures precise steering and exceptional control. The buggy's 4WD chain drive system, housed in a sealed compartment, offers robust durability and superior performance on any terrain. Modern enhancements include a slipper-equipped counter gear, a metal final gear case for improved load-bearing capacity, and precision 48-pitch gear modules that minimize power loss while reducing noise. The Javelin also offers versatility with its dual drive system, allowing users to choose between the classic chain drive or an optional belt drive system. The attention to detail extends to every aspect of the Javelin, from its updated heavy-duty aluminum roll bar to its full ball-bearing specifications. The Arma 1/8 Typhon 4x4 V33S BLX stands out as the top choice for beginner RC buggy enthusiasts, blending power, durability, and speed into an all-terrain beast. With speeds topping 50 miles per hour, this buggy is equipped with a Spectrum SLT3 radio system, ensuring smooth control even during intense bashing sessions. The Arrma brushless motor and BLX 100 ESC deliver unmatched torque and acceleration, making this vehicle a thrill to drive. Built tough, the Typhon 4x4 3S BLX features a robust chassis and a design optimized for high performance on various terrains, from muddy tracks to skate parks. Its wide arms, low center of gravity, and high downforce wing enhance stability and handling, giving you the confidence to push the limits. Arrma's modular design simplifies maintenance. The power module, housing the motor, slipper clutch, and gear cover can be removed with a single screw, allowing for easy adjustments. The electronics module is waterproofed for protection, and the differential module, designed for quick access, further enhances this buggy's user-friendly nature. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.